Hi, my name's Wil Anderson and I am here at KSL to get my hairline done. I've been wanting it for a number of years now, but I think now is the right time to get it done. You know what, I'm actually quite excited, a little bit of nerves, but the team have made me feel really comfortable. From what I gather, it's going to be quite a relaxing day, so I'm excited for it. So what I'm kind of looking to get out of this is I'm not looking to have a super straight, superficial looking hairline. I want something that's quite realistic. Which, looking at some of the past procedures, is very achievable here at KSL. So yeah, like I said, I don't want anything too crazy, but quite a nice, subtle but good looking hairline. I've been wanting to get the hair transplant done for a number of years, and I think now is just sort of the good time. I have struggled in the past with, getting in and out of the pool on holiday. I think that's a common one for people. I always wore hair fibres, and I still do up until now. When you've got hair fibres in, if you jump in the pool, the hair fibres come out. So yeah, I just want to have it just for a bit of peace of mind, really, and time to go for surgery, and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Wish me luck.